This video looks at solving basic division problems and how we can go about doing that. Now, our division that we're looking at for this demonstration is 6 divided by 3. Now, if we know our 6 times table, or indeed our 3 times table, we should be able to work this out fairly easily. But if we're not quite sure, there are methods we can use to help us solve it. Now, what we have here is a bar model. What I've got is a bar worth 6. And then another bar down the bottom that's also worth 6, but I've broken it into 3 equal pieces, because when we divide something equally, the pieces will all be equal. They'll all be the same size. So 6 broken up into 3 equal pieces. That's the purpose of this bar model. It doesn't help us actually solve the problem, but it helps us to visualize it. So 6 broken up into 3 bits. That's what 6 divided by 3 means. And what I've done here is I've got 6 dots. So I've still got 6, and then I've got 3 circles, and this is the method that is easiest to use to solve the problem. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to share out my 6 dots equally among the 3 circles. So I cross one out and I put it into one of the circles. Cross it out, put it into one of the circles, and I just work my way across until I have none left, or until I'm left with some that won't go in. So I've actually got there 2 in each of my circles. That would mean that our answer is 2. And if our answer is 2, we can check this because each one of these parts will be 2. And to double check that I've got the right answer, I'm doing 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 6. I can also, if we look at our bar model again, I'm saying that there's 2 in each, and there are 3 bits. So another calculation that this bar model is now showing is 3 multiplied by 2, because I'm saying I've got 3 lots of 2. We can see that. 1 lot of 2, 2 lots of 2, 3 lots of 2. 3 lots of 2 is equal to 6. Let's have a look at this calculation. 10 divided by 2. When we divide by 2, we're only going to half it. That's what dividing by 2 really means. But what does it look like? So, what I've got is I've got my 2 sections, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my 10 up into those 2 sections. And the way I'm going to do this, I'm not going to bother drawing out 10 dots and then cross them out laboriously. I'm just going to count to 10 as I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now the answer is what is in one of my circles. Well, I've got 5 in there, so that's my answer. 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Have a look at this question. So our question is 15 divided by 3. I've got the 3 circles drawn. I'm going to divide 15 up into those 3 equal pieces. Pause the video, have a go, and then I'll post the answer, see if you get it right. Here you can see that I've split the 15 equally into the 3 groups, and each one of those gives me my answer, which is 5. If you got it right, well done. If not, rewind the video, have another go. Try out a few of these yourself.